Good morning students. Yesterday we will discuss about chapter 16, its first part, area of trapezium. Then area of trapezium we will see here. Is equal to 1 upon 2 bracket sum of parallel side multiplied by height or distance between. Now today we will discuss about the area of polygon. So area of polygon, in the polygon we have so many shapes. That first shape is triangle. Then area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 bracket base multiply by base multiply by height. Second shape is called rectangle. So area of rectangle is length multiply by breadth. Third shape it is square. Then it is side square or side multiply by side. Next area is area of rhombus. It is equal to 1 upon 2 d1 multiplied by d2. Here d1 and d2 are represent diagonal first and diagonal second. Okay students, these formulas are useful in your next exercise, that is the area of polygon. In the next exercise figure will be given, possible that not given or possible that given. If figure will be given, then we want to find area of this figure, this polygon, into the some parts, and we will divide it into some parts. Like if we have a hexagon, so in the hexagon all sides are equal, and we will see side of hexagon is 6 centimeter, and given that it will be divided into two parts, then height of the one part is 4. Here also height is 4 centimeter, and side is 6, 6, 6, 6. All sides are 6 centimeter. Okay, and the inner side of the hexagon is 12 centimeter. So how we will find out this example or this question? If we want to find area of this figure, this polygon, then we will divide this figure into first part, second part and third part. So first we find area of first part. We will see here area of first part, it is the shape of trapezium. How? See here, it is like that type. Here bigger upper side is 6, down side is 12, and height of the trapezium is 4. So area of trapezium is equal to 1 upon 2 bracket sum of parallel side multiply by height. 1 upon 2 bracket parallel sides are 6 and 12, and height is 4. Then 1 upon 2 multiply by 18 multiply by 4, 9 4 ja 36 centimeter square. Now we find out area of second figure. Here if we will see, then second figure is the rectangle. So area of second figure is length multiplied by breadth, and length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 6 centimeter, then 12 6 ja 72 centimeter. Again we find out area of third shape. If you see, then third shape again a trapezium, and parameters of this trapezium is same as a first figure. So we can set directly this one figure area is also 36 centimeter square. We calculate in first part. So total area of figure is equal to 36 plus 72 plus 36, we got it 144 centimeter square. Okay students, now we will draw some figures of our books and divide it into parts. That one, see here, first figure. See here, in the first figure, here given that it is 6 centimeter, it is 8, total 13, and it is 12 centimeter. So if you see this figure, in this figure we have one is, first part our is a triangle, and second part our is a trapezium. So if we want to find area of first part, then area of first part is the triangle, then area of triangle is equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So half multiply base is 6 and height is 8 centimeter, cancel out, 8 3 are 24 centimeter square. Now we want to find area of second part, area of trapezium, half multiply by sum of parallel side multiply by height. So in this, if you see, then some parallel sides are 6 and 12. So 6 and 12 multiply by height. If we want to find only this height, then total height of this figure is 13 and height of triangle is 8. Then we do subtraction of 13 minus 8. We got it 5 centimeter is the height of trapezium. So we put here 5 centimeter, 1/2 multiply 6 plus 12, 18 multiply by 5, 9, 9 5 ja 45 centimeter square. Then total area is equal to 45 plus 24, we got it 69 centimeter square. Okay students, now we will divide some parts and you calculate these areas at home. Do practice similarly these. I will explain here all the figures and you will solve self of these figures. First one figure, here given that one is hexagon, here all sides of hexagon is 8 centimeter and second is 12 and 4 centimeter. So if you divide this figure into two parts, then first and second part, then area of first part is equal to area of first part, it is called hexagon, then area of hexagon is equal to 6 multiplied by under root 3 upon 4 side square. You put just value of the side is 8 centimeter and calculate. Second part, it is the rectangle, then area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Here length is also given and breadth is also given. Find out second part area also and add both areas. Question number third. If you see this figure, then in this figure parameters are 10, 19.5, 6, 25, 11 or 5.5. So first we divide this figure into two simple parts. They are rectangle. First part also rectangle, second part also rectangle. So in the first part, length of the rectangle is 25 and breadth of the rectangle is 6. In second part, length of the rectangle we want to find, but breadth is given 10. So how to find length of this rectangle? See here, it is also given, I think it is 5.5 and breadth is 10. Now remaining side of third parts, then in the third part if you will see, then this one side equal to 10 centimeter, then in the trapezium first parallel side is 10, second parallel side here we got it from till here to here, it is 11 centimeter, then we subtract from 25, we got it 14 centimeter of this side. So in the third part, second parallel side of the trapezium is 14 and height of the trapezium, total length of this figure is 19.5. From this figure we have this one part 6 because it is equal to this, and this one part is 5.5, it is equal to this. Then total 11.5 we have from 19.5, then remaining height is 8 centimeter. So using these three parts, calculate the area of trapezium of this figure. Okay. Using these questions you will do complete exercise 16B and also do in your notebook exercise 16A. And remember students, you also submit your worksheet because we will give marks according to your solutions. Okay students, thank you.